Hey, hello everyone. So today I'm sharing a review on this book When I'm With You by Durjoy Dutta, my favorite novelist. So I bought this book from Amazon at rupees 180 only. People who love reading novels must read this one. If you are a regular reader, you may not like it, but if you are someone like me who needs an intellectual detox after reading heavy books with something simple, easy to read, and grasp love story, you may give this one a shot. It's a cliche love story with a few high and lows enough to keep you engaged to finish the book's last. The plot covers two adults trying to sort out their present, simultaneously dealing with past. I won't reveal much details here, enough to say that it's a story about normal people living their lives, trying to find out and fulfill their purposes, surprisingly coming across the love of their life. What will they choose? A sensible, good on paper life, or a fulfilled, emotionally rich life, bringing them closer to love and their dream of lifetime? I love the mix of dark humor with a reflection of current social norms in India. Only Durjoy can blend the facts and fiction so well. This one's a gripping read. Trust me, when I say this, you will have a gala time reading it from cover to the end. The story will always be so close to my heart. I loved how it shows that second chances can be beautiful as well. The book was great overall. Just go and read this novel. This is a masterpiece, guys. Just go and read it once. If you like this review, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.